तू कमर था उस मकां के आसमां का, तू कमर था उस मकां के आसमां का, जिसके आंगन में कभी बचपन मेरा खेला था, जिसके आंगन में कभी बचपन मेरा खेला था. Today's video is a tribute to two important personalities of my life. Before starting the video, I would like to wish you all Assalamu alaikum and Jai Hind everyone. These two important personalities about whom I'm paying a tribute today were my Badi Ammi and my Big B. Lovingly, we used to call him Big B. He was our elder brother. Being a part of joint family, these two people have taught a lot of life skills to all of us and help us to groom into a good human being. The life skills which these two people have taught indirectly by their gestures to all of us are sibling bonding, togetherness, how to do a very good parenting, how to become a team leader when we are in a joint family, how to behave with extended family members. Extended family members means those people who get married and become a part of our family. Cousin, brother and sister bonding, which is not less than bonding between real brother and sister. Badi Ammi, she was a woman of strong willpower. She had learned lots of life skill during her age, which many of the people are not getting in today's era. She was woman of strength and the team leader of our parents in joint family. Whenever Dada is not around and she is not healthy enough to guide our parents, the family tradition, she used to guide them. She, after the death of our Bade Abbu, single-handedly handled her 4 kids and raised them well and helped them to settle down. She was Pardanashi, so I'm not sharing her picture. She has taught many social skills like children are the sources to convey some of the people's thought. The people, those who don't want to convey their thoughts to the public, they sometimes teach it to the children, and children unknowingly the effect and side effect of that thing used to convey it among the people. So she used to tell us that बेटा अपने मुंह से दूसरों की बात कभी नहीं बोला करो. Everybody has mouth, they can say their wordings. Why are you becoming the medium of telling those sentences? She used to teach us many recipes. She used to tell us what are our family tradition, how to follow it, and whenever there were some fatiha and nazar niyaz and we used to eat it, she used to tell us always wash hands into the flower pot so that the things on which we have done nazar, it should get respect by washing our hands in the plant. It should not wash off into the drainage. There are 10 बीबियों की कहानी, बीबी सैयदा की कहानी, and so many religious stories which teach life skills and good habits to the kids of our area, of our family, joint family. So she used to conduct time to time all these things and gather us at one place. Lovingly she used to call us, and she used to prepare some dishes for the kids. We used to follow her a lot. Second is Big B, big brother, elder brother. Lovingly we used to call him Big B. Our uncle and aunts and our parents used to tell him that if the engine will be going always on a right track, the bogies will never be derailed. And he used to become the engine of our chiller party and used to guide us for how to complete homework, how to behave well in school, how to behave on road, and many good things he used to teach us as our team leader. He was a humble, caring, honest, and studious team leader who completed his journey of education by getting post of probationary officer, for which he spent um, many 2 years in the city Patna to prepare for this post, and at last he got selected and became the officer. Later on, he got promoted to the post of assistant general manager of Central Bank of India. He was such a brilliant maths teacher that I was preparing to getting my first position in the class from grade 1 till grade 4, but due to his mentoring of only 1 year, I achieved my goal, and I became the school topper in standard 5 in Fort William School, Sasaram. He was such a loving brother that we, as a younger sister, used to discuss every type of topic with him, and he used to guide us. One day, he was discussing on religious topic with us, and I asked him, "Bhaiya, people say that we have to follow everything of religion," and he used to smile and tell. He told me that religion is the topic that should be reserve till our uh, personal thoughts. We cannot impose it on others. It is only the way to reach to the Almighty that can be different person to person. So do not involve that much in that topic. You take care of your studies, learn good habits, good social values, so that you can become a very good human being, very good Indian, because in the country in which we live, we need religious tolerance a lot. So you should imbibe all those skills in you as well. Due to his teachings and affection for us as elder brother, I always used to send him Rakhi as token of dua for him, and he used to accept it, and always used to call me and say thanks for your affection you are carrying for me. The good thoughts of these two people will always remain with us till we travel towards the heavenly abode. And today's tribute is a very important part of my life, so I'm sharing it with all of you. I pray for them. Their soul may rest in peace, and they get good grades on the day of judgment in their amal nama. I feel blessed to have these two important people with good gestures and affectionate behavior in my life. Whenever I feel sad and I remember them, I used to send Fatiha to them and try to do all those good thoughts, try to follow all those good thoughts, what they taught us. This is all about today's video. Remember me in your dua. I will also keep you remember in my dua. Till then, take care, follow lockdown rules, don't go outside without mask, use sanitizer, keep yourself clean, and stay healthy, stay blessed. Till then, keep watching my videos for getting good thoughts. Till then, take care. Jai Hind, everyone.